Hi, my name is Dr. Angela Chiu. I'm a clinical psychologist at the Center for Youth Mental Health at New-York-Presbyterian. We're here today to talk about people-pleasing and when it could be a problem. People-pleasing is when we prioritize other people's needs above our own, and this is something that's human, that's natural, that everybody does sometimes. People-pleasing originates actually in early childhood. If you learn as a child that meeting other people's needs leads you to be accepted, that it's not uncommon for you to engage in these same behaviors in adolescence and into emerging adulthood. People-pleasing becomes problematic when it's done in excess and it comes at the cost of your own needs getting met. At work, it might include saying yes to projects with unrealistic expectations or unrealistic deadlines. It may be carrying a lion's share of the workload in a group so that you don't disappoint your peers. If you're worried about pushback, remember the golden and. The golden and is the idea that two things can be true at the same time. You might be worried that your friend is going to be annoyed that you can't stay for her entire birthday dinner, and it might be really important for you to leave that birthday dinner early so that you can get home, get rest, and prepare for a big exam the next day. Here are some tips for how to manage people-pleasing. First, recognize that it's totally normal to feel uncomfortable standing up for yourself and saying no. Spend some time reflecting on what are those situations where you find it most difficult to say no. Who are those people that you find it most difficult to say no to? And spend some time reflecting on your own values. What do you care about? How do you want to spend your time? It's a lot easier to say no to other things if you've already said yes to yourself. Make it a global practice to not say yes to anything immediately. Say instead, let me get back to you. And the beauty of this strategy is that it buys you time. I also suggest scripting out and practicing saying no. I always say, if you're going to people please, make sure one of the people that you please is yourself. If you have further questions, visit the Center for Youth Mental Health site to learn more.